Alright, welcome. My name is Bryan Lynch. My amateur radio call sign is November Mike 7 Charlie. And tonight we're going to hang out for a few minutes. And we are going to... You can hear my SAT controller alerting me that the space station's about to pass. Yeah, so we're going to hang out for a few minutes, and we're going to see if we can make any contacts over the space station amateur radio equipment with any other hands in the area. There's the off chance that maybe there's an astronaut listening on board. Every once in a while that happens. It hasn't happened to me before, but it's happened to my friends and many other people. So we can hang out and listen for that. There's that noise again. The klaxon. Yeah, so that's my SAT controller making that sound. If you haven't joined me before, let me kind of explain what it is that you're looking at. You're looking at the web interface, the web interface of the CSN Technologies SAT controller that I use. What it's showing you is it's showing you a map of where the satellite currently is, along with its footprint, where its signal reaches to, basically, where it's visible, like line of sight to the satellite. A track of where it's going to go across the land, or across the Earth. There's a polar chart here that shows you where the satellite appears on the horizon, where it ends up on the horizon at the end of the pass, and then there's a yellow line that connects to show you the path across. There's a little white satellite icon showing you where the satellite currently is, and a orange antenna box showing you where my antenna physically is. And if you can look up on my camera feed here on the top, you can see my antenna sort of pointed down and to the left. Yeah, so that's a picture of my antenna. And I hear some sounds starting to come up over the horizon. I hear some sounds in my earphones. We're at 4.2 degrees and rising. We're going to get up to 64.1 degrees tonight, which is actually a really good pass of the space station. I fully expect there to be people on, as long as they're not asleep. That's our only danger this time of night, 9:30. I find after like 9 o'clock, like most of the stations are in bed for some reason, so not me. I am a night owl. I'm awake late usually. So we're starting to hear sound. Let me lower my power down here. Alright, we're starting to hear sound, but not quite yet. Let me switch the audio over here in 1 second over to the radio audio. Again, if you're just joining me, my name is Bryan Lynch. My amateur radio call sign is November Mike 7 Charlie. We're doing a pass of the International Space Station from my QTH here in Oregon City, Oregon. Alright, let me change the audio over so you can hear the radio. November Mike 7 Charlie, Charlie November 85.
November Mike 7 Charlie, Whiskey 6, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, Charlie Mike 88, QSL?
QSL, Whiskey 6, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, copy Charlie November 85.
Copy CN 85, 73.
QSL 73. November Mike 7 Charlie, Charlie November 85.
Whiskey 6, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, Charlie Mike 88.
Like the best call, by the way. November Mike 7 Charlie.
Hi, W6 WTF. Is it just us tonight?
Maybe. We'll see as it sort of moves east if anybody else pops on.
WA1KXV, Charlie Mike 99.
WA1KX KXV, W6WTF, Charlie Mike 88, QSL.
KO6HNZ, Charlie Mike 87.
KF6HNZ, that's Hotel November Zulu, QSL.
QSL, Hotel November Zulu.
Alright, Kilo Foxtrot 6, Hotel November Zulu, November Mike 7 Charlie, Charlie November 85.
Kilo Charlie 6, Radio Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 98.
Kilo Oscar 6, Hotel November Zulu for correction.
QSL, got you, 7-3.
7-3, can I get your call one more time?
November Mike 7 Charlie.
Copy, November Mike 7 Charlie, 7-3.
7-3.
November Mike Charlie, this is Whiskey Alpha 1, Kilo X-Ray Victor, Charlie Mike 99.
November's Kilo.
Whiskey Alpha 1, Kilo X-Ray Victor, November Mike 7 Charlie, Charlie November 85.
Kilo Charlie 6, Radio Uniform Oscar, Charlie Mike 98.
November Mike 7 Charlie, KJ7 COA, Charlie November 88.
KJ7 COA, November Mike 7 Charlie, QSL from Charlie November 85, 7-3 buddy.
Good evening, have a good one.
WA1KXD, W6WTF, Charlie Mike 88, QSL.
W6, I didn't get the call. This is WA1KXV, Charlie Mike 99.
Whiskey 6, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, W6WTF, Charlie Mike 88, 73.
WA1KXV, KJ7 COA, Charlie November 88. K6, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, KO6HNZ.
KO6HNZ, W6WTF, hello again, 73.
Greetings, 7-3. WA1KXV, KJ7 COA, CN88. Whiskey Alpha 1, Kilo Oscar 6, Hotel November Zulu, Charlie Mike 87.
KJ7 COA, W6WTF, Charlie Mike 88, good evening.
November Mike 7 Charlie, Charlie November 85.
Kilo Oscar 6, Hotel November Zulu, Charlie Mike 87.
Kilo Mike 7, Tango Alpha, Delta November 36.
The Delta November 36 again, November Mike 7 Charlie.
Kilo Mike 7, Delta Tango.
Was that Kilo Mike 7 Delta Tango Oscar QSL?
I just lost him. I don't think I got that one. And we're only down to, let's see, what are we down to? We're down to 13 degrees, so we only have a couple more degrees to go. Let's see if we get anyone else.
November Mike 7 Charlie, Charlie November 85.
down to the very end.
November Mike 7 Charlie, Charlie November 85.
Okay, whew. Earphones every time. All right, cool. So we actually had a good pass. Lots of QSOs, lots of activity going on, which is always good to see. It's down to 5 degrees, but I have houses and things in the way between me and the satellite and between me and the space station right now. And it's just not, I can't work it down to 0 degrees. I can only go down to about 7 or 8 degrees before it starts to completely fade out and go away. So what did we get tonight? We got 4 QSOs, Whiskey 6, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, which is a funny call sign, I like that one. Kilo Oscar 6, Hotel November Zulu, Whiskey Alpha 1, Kilo X-Ray Victor, which was, I think he came back to me. I gave him the benefit of the doubt and put him in the log, although I don't know if we made the full QSO or not. We'll see if he confirms it or not. And then I did my old friend KJ7COA, Steve, on here. So very cool. Thanks for hanging out with me again. Again, I hope you enjoy these. If you like my content, give me a like, give me a follow, and we'll see you next time, all right? 7-3 from November Mike 7 Charlie. I'll be clear.